Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about lesson 31, the sum of the angle measures of a triangle or rectangle. So today we did the investigation looking at measuring with a protractor, and we learned that a triangle always adds up to 180 degrees. We learned that a straight angle inherently equals 180 degrees, and a rectangle has a sum of its measures of 360 degrees. So let's look at example 1, and it asks us to find the sum of the angle measures of a rectangle. So I'm going to find the sum, which we all means to add, of these 4 angles. Well, since they're right angles, I know that they are all worth 90 degrees. So I would add 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90. Oh, 90. And you need to make sure that you put the degrees symbol on each one because we are measuring in degrees. Add it up. And we get a total of 360 degrees. However, since these 4 are all the same, you can multiply 90 degrees times 4 angles and come up with the same answer. It's a little bit faster and works well when you have a square or a rectangle and all of the degrees of each angle are the same. Okay, let's look at example 2. Example 2, find the measure of angle A in triangle ABC. So this is what this means. This symbol right here means angle, and this symbol right here obviously means triangle. So if I was to read this sentence, find the measure of angle A in triangle ABC. So that means here's my triangle, A to B to C. So here's my triangle. And I want to find the measure of this angle right here. So how do I do that? Well, I know that a triangle equals a total of 180 degrees. I know from this symbol right here that C is 90 degrees because it is a right angle. B is 30 degrees. So we write the math problem like this. The measure, M stands for measure, of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C equals 180 degrees. Now I substitute. I'm still looking for the measure of angle A, but B is 30 degrees and C is 90 degrees. So now I can add these two up. 30 plus 90 is 120. I'm still looking for the measure of angle A. So the measure of angle A plus 120 degrees equals 180 degrees. So I know from all of the math that I've solved before that I can take my sum, 180 degrees, minus one of the parts, equals 60 degrees. So the measure of angle A equals 60 degrees. Now I know some of you are saying, wow, Mrs. Pendry, that seems like a lot of work when I can just do that all in my head. And while yes, you could, I want the practice of you writing it down step by step. So please make sure that you write it down step by step and show your work. It's the best way to practice not making mistakes. Okay, let's look at example 3. Okay, example 3. Find the measure of angle YXZ. Now, what exactly does that mean? When we see this symbol, it means angle. Well, let's make that a little bit better. This symbol, that means the angle. Then when we see 3 letters, that means we start at the first one, then we move to the second one, down here, and then we go from there up to the third one. So it means that I'm actually looking for this angle right here. Okay? So, since I'm looking for this angle, I see, here's my whole triangle. I'm just going to kind of outline it for us. So this is my triangle. I know that Z is 65 degrees. I know that Y is 90 degrees. So again, the measure of angle X plus the measure of angle Y plus the measure of angle Z equals 180 degrees. I'm looking for this angle here. So the measure of angle X plus 90 degrees, because Y is 90 degrees, plus Z, not plus Z, plus 65 degrees equals 180 degrees. So the measure of angle X plus, let's add 90 and 65, we get 155 degrees equals 180 degrees, and then we subtract 180 minus 155. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. So the measure of angle X equals 25 degrees. Okay, that is it for tonight. Off to your lesson practice, and I'll see you in the morning.